A lookup table or LUT can be used to achieve color correction using a post-process volume or a camera in Unreal Engine. This offers a more sophisticated color transformation, which can be used for a wide range of creative purposes. To use Elias Wick LUTs, simply select your post-process volume or camera and scroll down until you find the color grading and miscellaneous section in the details panel. In the bottom you can find the color grading LUT intensity and the color grading LUT texture parameters. To apply a LUT, simply drag and drop one of the LUT textures from Elias Wick LUTs into the color grading LUT section. To control the intensity, simply modify the color grading LUT intensity parameter. To make the process of viewing LUTs even easier, I have created a user interface that you can import into your levels to try out all of the LUT effects. The only requirement is that you have a post-process volume in your scene. Simply go into the example level that comes with the LUT collection, open the level blueprint and copy all of the nodes. Now go to the desired level and paste these nodes into the level blueprint. When you now play the game, a menu where you can select and modify the LUTs should appear in the top left section of the screen. Simply select the desired group and LUT effects, and it will transform the look of your project in an instant. Thank you for watching.